In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Square to QuickBooks Online and set up automatic transaction syncing. If you use Square to take payments and QuickBooks Online to manage your books, connecting the two will save you time and reduce data entry errors. We'll walk through the connection and make sure your sales and payments flow into your accounting the way you expect. Start by signing in to QuickBooks Online using Google Chrome. Chrome offers the smoothest experience for this setup, especially if it's updated to the latest version. Log in to the correct company file and make sure you have the permissions needed to add apps. Once you're in, head to the Apps menu. In the search bar, type Square. You'll see a list of results. Look for the official Square integration for QuickBooks Online. Open its page to review details, then select Get App Now. This begins the installation and prepares QuickBooks to connect to your Square account. Next, you'll be prompted to log into Square and authorize data sharing. This is a secure handoff between Square and QuickBooks. Enter your Square credentials and, if prompted, confirm which business or location you want to link. You'll see a permission screen describing what data will move between the two systems, like sales totals, fees, and deposits. Approve the connection so the integration can pull in your transactions. After authorization, you'll configure how synchronization should behave for sales and payments. This is an important step because it determines how your books will look. Choose whether to bring in daily sales summaries or individual transactions. Depending on the level of detail you prefer, map your sales to the appropriate income accounts, select where Square deposits should post in QuickBooks, and decide how you want fees to be categorized. If you use sales tax in Square, confirm how tax should sync so totals match. You can typically set a start date for the sync. Choose a date that aligns with your accounting period to avoid duplicates. When your settings look right, save and start syncing. The initial sync may take a few minutes, especially if you set an earlier start date. You can continue working while this runs. New Square activity will then flow into QuickBooks automatically based on the preferences you just chose. If you ever need to adjust how things are categorized, you can revisit the app settings in QuickBooks without breaking the connection. And that's it. You've connected Square to QuickBooks Online, configured your sales and payment preferences, and turned on automatic syncing so your books stay up to date with less effort.